Okay, hello all. Flintstone here. Yeah, I think I unfortunately may have already sleuthed this one out. First off, it's a B100, and it says 1013973, and it knocks. Just found that I have something like a 1/8 of an inch of free play in the flywheel. I don't know if you can hear it. Little ticking sound there. Also, I'm not familiar with the lights on these, whether they're supposed to be on or off, but when I was changing the oil, I fired it for just a moment and it didn't come on. When I put more oil in it, it didn't come on. Also, I only got about a cup out, and what I got is pretty psychedelic, man. This is silver stripes of bearing babbitt, apparently. So all in all, it's pretty darn clean, though. Look, it's kind of, everything looks like it's been well loved and not used too much. It's got, I guess this is the intake manifold, and that looks to me like that Aviation Permatex number 3. Somebody put on there. It's already been in there. Also, it may have been rattle canned. I don't know if they stock. See, there's a little blue on the bolt there. There's a little overspray in places, but I just don't know. All the decals and everything don't show any sign that it had been painted, but they may have put fresh decals on it. And let's see. At first I was hoping maybe lifters, but I'm thinking it's the rod myself. Actually, now I'm going to get my camera wet. Sorry. I know. So, there she blows. There's the cover. It's a little different than most of the ones that I've seen. I haven't nailed down. It ain't newer than 97 and it ain't older than 84 is all I know. It's got the stuff on it. Oh, and it is the long shaft. It just fits in a 55-gallon drum. Its tip is right on the bottom. So probably for parts on Craigslist, I don't have the time to I guess cranking rods. I don't know what to say about the top end. Oh, one more peculiarity. I ran it for a few minutes earlier, and it's circulating water well. There's a nice healthy piss out here from the cooling water, but the cooling water is cold, and the motor, almost too hot to touch. I'm a little puzzled by that. Maybe that's normal. There you have it.